up, everybody? Chris Black here. Just wanted to make a quick video about that. I noticed there's some people out there that are struggling with trying to find their own talent. And through prayer and fasting and spirituality and certain teachings like cosmogony, cosmology, African cosmology, and archetypal studies of the self, I teach about how the body, human body, is like a magnet, and other things too that help us manifest through our minds and help us gain. And when you find your own talent, you could do the one thing that I really want people to learn is to invest in yourself. I'm gonna call the video "Invest in Thyself." I made another video, but it was too long. And so what I want to do is I want to help people. So if you're out there and you're trying to find your own talent, but you don't kind of know, you kind of get an idea. See, I wanted to separate. There's two types of talents we have. We have an entertaining talent and we have an administrative talent. The entertaining talent, you know what that is, right? The thing is that this day and age, the entertainment business and the industry is very evil and bad, and it's hard to get through it. They gotta wanna, take you in, but then they use you and they like leave you to die like they did everybody. Anyway, so I don't want to get into that. I really want to get into your administrative talents, the administrative part of you that helps you create your life. Talk about taking care of yourself, eating right, being your own doctor, knowing the law, knowing city ordinances and county and city bylaws, learning about investments in our American financial economical state, because there are things that are very bad, like private equity, that teaches you to rely on bad lines of credit that destroy you. It destroys big companies. It destroys 401ks. It destroys the blue collar. It destroys the middle class. And I don't want to get too into that, but I want to teach it enough or show it enough so people know to stay away from it. Because what we're trying to do, trying to rebuild the self. So invest in thyself. You can't invest in yourself if you ain't right. If you ain't right, you can't keep a job. You can't keep a relationship. You can't go to school. You can't do anything. Never mind join a religion or be part of a religion. Are you kidding me? In order for you to succeed in a religion, you got to have yourself right. Please, there's people out there that do things like they run to a religion to think it's going to fix their life. You're not fixing your life. You got to fix yourself. When yourself is right, then you could understand the Bible or the Torah or the Quran or the teachings of the Punjabi or the teachings of Hindu or the teachings of any beautiful yogi, Krishna, any beautiful religion out there that helps you become successful in your own self. You have to get yourself right first, all right? So learn that and I'll help you. If you need help with that too, I can help you with that too, because I know all the religions. Or I don't mean to talk like that, I'd say, but it's kind of true. I do. I've studied a long time. I'm 50 years old now, and it's time for me to help people. So if you need help, come inbox me. We'll talk about it, talk about scheduling, and we'll talk about everything else. Do I charge? Yeah, but I don't want to get into that right now. You know why? Because I'm not about the money. I'm more about trying to help you. Am I trying to find a way to invest in myself and gain, or how do you say, to make a living out of what I'm doing? Of course, because that's what the humanity is. We learn to create a line of residual income through our own talents. This is my talent, to teach, to help you learn about yourself. Why? Because that's what I've been doing. That's what I studied. And that's what I want to do. I want to help you. Okay? And if you got a problem with addictions, I could help that too. Anything going on, I could help you. Just come and inbox me, talk to me, and we'll talk about it. Okay? Peace. God bless.